Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best hose nozzle you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Alma Garden Hose Nozzle Spray Nozzle. With the Alma brand, you get a spray nozzle that can be adjusted in 10 different ways. Therefore, you can have a pressure washer from your garden hose to wash the cars and clean the patio. The nozzle itself is made with zinc alloy, as well as durable plastic. There's also a rubber coating on the handle to make it stronger and easier to use. Since the plastic is resistant to corrosion, it's not going to rust with time. You get a 3/4 inch brass connector at the end of the attachment, which fits any USA standard hose. The nozzle also has a thumb control, so you can choose low or high pressure for the water flow. If that weren't enough, it features an ergonomic shape on the handle. This means you can hold it for long periods without tiring the hands. The thumb control sits at the top and allows you to change the spray pattern and pressure. Number 2. Garden Hose Nozzle / Hand Sprayer. The middle child between the watering can and the lawn sprinkler, garden hose nozzles don't exactly have the easiest job. They're expected to be able to handle a wide range of tasks, from creating gentle mists to water flowers to powerful jet streams for blasting out dirty trash cans to long-range streams to knock a frisbee out of a tree, all while having the compact size and maneuverability of a hand tool. On top of that, they're also responsible for managing anywhere from 40 to 60 psi of water pressure, making durability essential, particularly since we tend to leave them outside more than we should. Because of these unique requirements, determining the best nozzle option is a bit more challenging than you might think, which makes it easier to accidentally purchase an inferior option. I've used my years of experience working at plant nurseries and as a landscaper to assemble a list of the best nozzle options for 5 different styles: the classic pistol grip, extended watering wand, simple twist action, thumb-controlled flow, and our best overall nozzle, the versatile Gardenite heavy-duty watering nozzle. Number 3. Bon-Aire Original Ultimate Aluminum Hose Nozzle. If you're looking for a nozzle that won't leave you with the sore wrists and tight forearms that can result from a long day of squeezing a trigger nozzle, the Bon-Aire Original Ultimate Hose Nozzle could be the choice for you. As opposed to the pistol grip you see most often in hose nozzles, the Bon-Aire Original Ultimate Hose Nozzle is cylindrical, like a fire hose. This ergonomic design makes for a more natural grip position while operating, thus reducing fatigue. Its simple operating system also makes the Bon-Aire Original Ultimate Hose Nozzle a great option for anyone with grip strength issues, since it requires much less effort than trigger-style options. To adjust the flow of water, you simply twist the barrel itself to cycle through the 5 spray options. My favorite feature of the Bon-Aire Original Ultimate Hose Nozzle is definitely its durable construction. It also gives you a really solid, secure grip on the unit, a feeling that you don't get from other nozzles. All that said, this nozzle will probably be a little too rough for delicate projects. It also lacks the precision control of a trigger, but it really can't be beat for big jobs like washing your car, especially considering its rubber construction. Number 4. Signature Garden Heavy-Duty Nozzle, Comfort. Are you looking for customization with your garden hose nozzle? The one from Signature Garden offers 3 different colors. Of course, most homeowners want to focus on the design and features instead of the color, but it is interesting and unique. This nozzle features an ergonomic design. There is rubber insulation on the trigger and handle. That way, you can use hot/cold water applications. Of course, it's comfortable to hold for long periods. Therefore, you can wash the dog, water an entire garden, or clean the car with ease. The product is made using solid metal and has a baked enamel finish. Therefore, it's durable and much stronger than its plastic competitors. You're going to find that this nozzle fits standard hoses. That means you just have to connect it to the hose and start spraying. Plus, you get 8 different water patterns, such as rinse, cone, shower, flat, mist, and more. You can also adjust the flow, so you can handle any task that requires water while outside. Number 5. SprayTech Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer. Probably one of the more stylish hose nozzles around due to its metallic silver finish, the SprayTech 9 pattern hose nozzle isn't just pleasing on the eye, it's also durable and versatile. The SprayTech 9 is ideal for every type of gardening from heavy watering to gentle sprinkling, and our testers confirm that it's comfortable to hold, even for extended periods of use, and being adverse to leaks makes it kind to the environment. The Crenova HN03 spray nozzle is a beast. It incorporates a brass design which affords it longevity, and other features render it free from leaks. This model is one of the strongest around in terms of both water flow and the range of jobs which it can cover. All these activities are different and as such, require separate levels of water pressure and water patterns. You're guaranteed of having all your spraying needs in a single entity, which is extremely cost-efficient. This hose nozzle is a heavy-duty metal product designed with a pistol grip trigger. It is also leak-free and offers users up to 9 different spraying patterns for all their projects and activities. Pros: versatile. Range of spray patterns. Hassle-free usage. Long-lasting. Cons: not suitable for pressure washing. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.